Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Okay, today we'll be looking at one of those crucial informations and cards on Hamster Combat. A must buy cards, the cards that you must own on Hamster Combat. Okay, you buy this card, you have the high possibility of getting the airdrop. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe to this amazing channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos, okay, so that a lot of people can benefit from it. Okay, on this channel we teach how to make money online, how to trade, and how to learn a lot of skills. Okay, so that is all. Let's dive into that quickly. So the next thing that you just need to do is to click on your combo. Okay, so clicking on the combo, you quickly come to this place, special. Navigate yourself to the special. You click on the special. So this is where the talk of town, the cards are. Okay, this is where you get the most valuable cards out of Hamster Combat. Okay, if you haven't got this card has a precautions. Okay, precaution tabs. You must get these cards. If you haven't gotten it, get it now. Okay, there is also another card that says Web3 Game Con. Get this card. It's very vital. It's a card you must get. Okay, get those cards, otherwise you will not be paid. And for some of you people who have not gotten this Lamborghini, get it. Okay, is very important. Get this Lamborghini now. So let's go into one of the most important cards that prompt us to make this video today. Okay, so all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the new cards. You can see, navigate yourself to this place, new cards. All right, click on the new cards. So having clicked on the new cards, a card that you must get again, I'll be showing to you right away, which is the major reasons why we are here today. Is what is the business jet. Okay, get the business jet card now and stand a high chance to earn an airdrop. Okay, though the volume is high, 12 million, but you must own this card now before it is too late. If you have not purchased this card, purchase it now, because there's every high opportunity that is stand a chance for you to earn an airdrop. Okay, so let's quickly look into the cards. Looking into the cards, there is a lot to do. It is time to buy a private jet. You already fly 7 times in a week and are too famous to fly business class. Profit per hour. See this card? This is a card you must own. So get this private jet now and stand a chance to win an airdrop. Okay, you must earn this. You must get this private jet. Okay, so try to get it now. So I'm getting mine now. We're gonna go to do it together. You click on go ahead. If you click on go ahead, you hold on. Bam. Okay, I'm done with that, and I'm sure it shakes my what? It shakes my coin balance. Wow. Okay, it shake my coin balance from 85 millions to 73. Okay, you can now see the business jet. All right, so get it now and you own the card. All right. So thank you so much. This brings us to to the end of the class today. I don't want the class to be too long. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that we can keep doing this. Okay. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Okay. Bye.